It's looking like my camera is broken. I mean, the original lens is not focusing, but I thought that this one was gonna. I didn't know that this one was broken too. I don't know. I'll notice after I put the clips on my laptop. But good morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are staying safe in the snowstorm, or if it's not affecting you, happy to hear that. Hope you're somewhere warm and nice, and just wishing you good vibes for the rest of the day. I just woke up and I'm gonna head to the gym. I actually made so many plans for today, but I woke up feeling so bad, like I'm having really bad cramps, which I haven't had in a long while, so I don't know where this is coming from. And I am congested, and I have not been congested like through the snowstorm and all. I have managed to not be congested. Weird, I don't know how, but my body did it. So this morning, of all the days on my day off, when I woke up with my plans, I woke up congested, but I'm still gonna push through my plans. I'm gonna go to the gym, but I want to take a pill for my tummy. Normally I would have breakfast before the gym, but I'm just not, I don't have any appetite right now, and I want to go before it gets too late. It's already 12:21, so I want to just get it out of the way. I normally like doing it first thing in the morning, and it's already too late. But how my belly was feeling this morning, I just could not go. So I'm gonna just drink my protein. I'm just gonna drink my protein shake with water so I can take the pill, so I can not take the pill on an empty stomach. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. And this is the protein shake that I use, and it doesn't leave me feeling bloated or anything, because normally the other ones leave me feeling very bloated. And I was doing my research, and they told me that I need to get 100% whey, and I tried it and it's been perfect. So 1 scoop, and I'm just gonna add water. I'm not gonna add any peanuts or no banana or no extraness. I just let mine plain water only. So my tummy is hurting. Normally today would be leg day or something. Yeah, today is the first day of the week, so normally it would be leg day, but I am not. I really want to push through and do it, but I know I know it's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna do an incline walk, like 1 hour incline walk. That's what I'm gonna do, because I just cannot with how my belly is feeling, and I really want to still do something. By the way, I cannot find my Apple Watch, so it's like my workout isn't even gonna count. I'm joking, but yeah, I'm just gonna go do a 1 hour incline walk, like just max the incline and put it on like 3 speed or 3.3, and just get some work in. And I know it's gonna help me with my congestion because I'm gonna sweat, so hopefully I'll feel a lot better after that. And then when I come home, I should be hungrier, so I'll just make my regular breakfast when I come home, which I'll show you what that is. So I'm gonna take my pill and head to the gym, and then we'll come back and make breakfast. See ya. Okay guys, I'm back from the gym, and the workout was so good. As I was telling you, I did a 42-minute incline walk. I just watched the new episode of Real Housewives of Potomac while I was walking, so the time just flew by. So that episode is the one with Karen Huger. If you watch Real Housewives, you'll know. It's like my guilty pleasure. Love. I subscribe to Peacock just because I need to have my shows to watch when I'm ready. So I subscribe to Peacock only for Real Housewives. But anyway, I was watching the last episode before the reunion while I was on the treadmill, so the time just flew by like nothing, and I feel really good. I'm glad that I stuck to what I said I was gonna do, and I hope you also get some movement in today if you had that goal on your vision board or whatever goal list for 2026. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast, and this is the breakfast that I've been making for since I started this whole thing. And I got my meal plan from ChatGPT, and I'm just picking out what I want to eat. So egg whites, because I really love egg. Like I'll eat like 5 eggs or more. I really love eggs. I really love egg, but you know the yolk is high in cholesterol, and the yolk has, yeah, the yolk is high in cholesterol and something else. So to not eat too many eggs, to not OD with the eggs, and to not throw off my macros, I'm having liquid egg whites, which is just egg whites, and it's just the Walmart brand, the Great Value brand. I don't know, it's looking like my camera isn't focusing, but I won't know until I'm editing, so I'll see. Liquid egg whites, and in that I'm gonna put some spinach. This is the organic baby spinach. I'm gonna saute the spinach a little bit. I don't have any garlic. Normally I would saute it with garlic, some seasoning, and then throw the egg whites on it, scramble some eggs. And then I started using these packet tunas. It's the same as the tunas that come in the can, but this one you don't have to drain the water. And why do I keep looking over here? You don't have to drain the water or anything, so it's quicker and it's easier. So it's just ready to eat. So this is the 2 tunas that I'm gonna eat, and normally I would add mayo to my tuna, but that's like, it's too unhealthy. I mean, it's, you don't have to change everything, but these are just the little things that I'm changing in my diet to stick to it and to have my macros, to manage my macros, because I have a specific macro intake that I need to meet to get the body goal that I have. So I have to have this amount of protein. I mean, proteins have to be a certain percentage, carbs and fat. So I took mayo out of my diet currently because it's gonna throw my macros off. So I'm gonna use the Greek yogurt instead, and strangely it does not taste bad. Only the once the yogurt is unflavored. If the yogurt is flavored, because I had it with flavored yogurt one day, horrible, do not recommend. Once it's the unflavored original Greek yogurt, it's like, it's mayo. I don't know if I just tricked my brain, but I feel like nothing is, it tastes just the same, and I don't feel like it's a substitution. So I put this yogurt in it, and with this non-fat Greek yogurt I'm getting the protein that I need, and it doesn't have it doesn't have any fat because it's 0 fat. And this bread is 100 calories per slice, so I'm gonna have just 1 slice instead. Normally I'll get the 35 calorie bread so I can do 2 slices, but this one is 100 for 1 slice, so I'm just gonna have 1. So yeah, that's what I've been eating for my breakfast for some time now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make it. And it's so good and it's so filling. It keeps me full. If I eat this at like 1 o'clock, I don't have to eat again until, I don't feel hungry again until like 7 or 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna make that now.